Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Anelia Risa Aulia from first PCM class. In this video, I will tell you about 5 types of treat and give example of the treat that we can find in daily life. Treat: a curve formed when a triangle sheet is warped on a cylinder. Type of treat based on the shape of cross: 1. Triangle treat, 2. Square treat, 3. Trapezoidal treat, 4. Radius treat, and last saw treat. Triangle treat. The triangular treat is the treat that is most often used in nuts and bolts. This treat can be made using a tub, snail, lathe, milling machine, and others. Flashlight. We can see this is a triangular treat to enter one part with another part. Square treat. Treats with a rectangular shape are suitable to withstand high loads. This treat has a higher efficiency rate than the trapezoidal treat because it doesn't have an inclined angle on the treat. It does not have radial pressure and rupture pressure. Broomstick. We can see this is a rectangular treat for inserting one part with another part. Trapezoidal treat. This treat has a slope in the shape of the treat, so that it gives radial pressure and rupture pressure, which cause this treat to be easily eroded when used. Cloth deodorizer bottle. We can see this is a trapezoidal treat for inserting one part with another part. Radius treat. Treat with a radius shape are double treat. With a simple shape, this treat is not easily eroded or cause no leakage. Like we can see this is a radius treat for inserting one part with another part. And last, saw treat. Saw treat are treats that have a ring length of more than 1 pitch length. So, in conclusion, every seat turn of the treat will shift the workpiece by more than 1 pitch. Glass sprayer. We can see this is a saw treat for inserting one part with another part. That's all I can say about the types of the treat and their examples. Thank you for watching this video.